began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
guys, I want to introduce this video because it's another day. If you've watched my other video, like not my other video, I went to take a parcel, to take or whatever, I don't know, to take my parcel, yes, my package, and ordered on AliExpress. But then I'm gonna do a video one of these days about how you can shop on AliExpress and how they can deliver to anywhere you are in Kenya, in any other part of country. Yeah, you can shop from in whatever country you come from, whichever country, sorry, you come from, and they're very good. So I want to unbox this with you. I'm so excited. It's a new member in my house today, and I'm so excited to unbox, and I want to unbox with you. Yes, a girl is so happy. So let's unbox and see what is inside. Imagine I have not unboxed since I took it from the delivery guy yesterday. So I was so busy yesterday and I didn't have a chance to do it. So let's do it. How do we do this? Oh, customs. It makes it so much. Yes, I'm so excited. Ooh la la! Wow. What? Oh. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Yo guys, yo. Your girl has a new phone. Oh my gosh. Still can't believe it. So unrealistic. How do we do this now? Wacha tufungua huyu mtoto. Ta-da! Oh, I have to open everything. What? First we have the pin to open. Wow. The pin to the side. Then we have wow. Then we have the back cover for protection. Yes, now the real deal is here. It's here. Wait, do I have a charger? Okay, the charger is here also. Wow. It's so amazing, guys. So happy. So yeah, this is it. Let's do it. Let's launch it. Wow, look at that, guys. How scary. I wish I had nails to zap up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Whoa, guys. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, guys, that's it for this. I'm so excited by the way, and yeah, we'll catch up later. Let me just enjoy my new baby.